Are you tired of losing hair and looking for natural ways to restore its strength and shine? Don't worry, today we're diving into 7 powerful herbal remedies that can help you stop hair loss naturally and promote healthier, stronger hair. Stick around till the end because remedy number 7 is a hidden gem you won't want to miss. Hair loss can be caused by stress, nutritional deficiencies, hormonal imbalances, or even harsh chemicals in hair products. But nature offers us powerful solutions in the form of herbs that nourish your scalp and stimulate hair growth. First on our list is aloe vera, a true wonder plant for hair care. Aloe soothes the scalp, reduces inflammation, and promotes a healthy environment for hair follicles to thrive. Simply extract fresh aloe vera gel, massage it into your scalp, leave it on for 30 minutes and rinse. Use this 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Next up is rosemary, known for improving circulation to the scalp and promoting hair regrowth. Use rosemary essential oil diluted with a carrier oil like coconut or castor oil. Massage it into your scalp daily, or rinse your hair with rosemary tea after washing. Number 3 is fenugreek seeds, packed with proteins and nicotinic acid to strengthen hair and reduce hair fall. Soak the seeds overnight, grind them into a paste, and apply it to your scalp for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing. It's like a protein pack for your hair. Number 4 is amla, an ancient remedy rich in vitamin C and antioxidants to boost hair health. Use amla oil for a relaxing scalp massage or mix amla powder with yogurt for a strengthening hair mask. Fifth is hibiscus, a flower known for preventing premature graying and promoting thicker hair. Make a paste with hibiscus petals and coconut oil, or use hibiscus-infused oil to nourish your scalp. Coming in at number 6 is saw palmetto, known for blocking DHT, the hormone responsible for hair loss. You can find it as a supplement or apply saw palmetto-infused oil directly to your scalp. And finally, onion juice, a time-tested remedy for hair growth. It's rich in sulfur, which boosts collagen production and strengthens hair roots. Apply fresh onion juice to your scalp, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and rinse with a mild shampoo. Use it twice a week for visible results. And there you have it, the top 7 herbal remedies to stop hair loss naturally and promote stronger, healthier hair. These remedies are simple, affordable, and effective. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to natural treatments. Which of these remedies are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.